let me show you on this video how to protect your PDFs in Jotform. So follow me to my desktop right now. Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your PDFs in Jotform. That way you can rest assured that your documents will be safe inside of here. Now, Jotform has several layers of protection that will protect your PDFs, including HIPAA compliance if you requested, GDPR in case you need that compliance. So all of this will be available in Jotform, including two-factor authentication and many more features for protecting your PDFs. So let's get started. This is my main workspace, and to get started, we're gonna head on over to clicking on the avatar, go to settings, and in settings, we're gonna get started with the most popular feature, which is the two-factor authentication. So once you head on over to security, you'll find that option right here, two-factor authentication. Go ahead and set this on and go through the process of setting this up so you have that enabled in your account. Now, what about HIPAA compliance and GDPR? Well, that's going to be available in the data section here, and you'll have several available features, including data security with a HIPAA compliance feature. So go ahead and enable this right here. To enable this, you do need to have an HIPAA compliance account that will allow you to enable this. You also have the option to enable SOC 2 compliance by setting this up right here. And you have the option to set up your GDPR data center straight from here. So if you need to be GDPR compliant, go ahead and enable this right here. So I can move this to a European server where that is going to be GDPR compliant. So it's super easy and practical to protect your PDFs. Now you can also set a password to your PDFs independently for each one of these. So for example, if I set this up over here in a form, let's go ahead and edit this form. Let's go ahead and jump into settings, head on over to emails, and you have two available emails by default, which is notifications and the autoresponder. I go to edit, I go to advanced, and in advanced, I can attach the PDF. Go ahead and enable this. I can enable the password by setting it up right here. So it's an extra layer to protect your PDFs. So it's super easy and practical to protect your PDFs here on Jotform. And don't forget that you can request HIPAA compliance, GDPR, and SOC 2 compliance. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the security features for your PDFs and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.